Good morning from the Thoughtful Gardener. So I have one question for you, Don. This is my friend Don.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're in the New Cumberland garden right now, and you can see he's got tomatoes with this very sad tomato cage. And now he's got the garden trellis from Trellis King. And I just have one question for you guys. Would you rather have a system that the tomatoes can grow up and regardless of the storm, it's not coming down? Or would you like to have Mr. Tomato Cage? Don?
I think, let's see, let me think about that. Well, no, it's easy. I want the Garden King.
Of course.
Oh,
absolutely. Yeah. One and done. It folds flat. He can put it in the nice storage shed over there during the winter or leave it up and use it for square foot gardening for winter vegetables. So thank you for letting us try it out here today, but I think we have a new customer, don't we?
Yeah, baby.
All right.
Yeah.
Take care. Garden Thoughtful.